Alright, I am so happy that number 42 was asked, because it obviously shows that you guys have been, really intentional about what you do and do not understand. 42 is a tough problem. Why am I writing an example? I am going to write 42. It's still early in the morning. You guys are probably still asleep. Alright, 142. Here's what it gives you. It says h of x, or our first function, is equal to 3x minus 2. And then it says j of x is equal to ax plus b. And then it says find a relationship between a and b such that h of j of x is equal to j of h of x. Alright. So there's a lot going on here, and it might even be difficult to be like, how can I find a relationship with a and b when I have all these variables? Well, where we want to go first is essentially what they're telling us to do, h of j of x and j of h of x, which is a composition of functions and something which we've done a little bit with. So this is where the flipbook notes I actually gave you and had you record at home. So if we're looking at function h, we're going to have 3, and then I use parentheses instead of the x, parentheses minus 2, and then we'll see that our j of x, which is this function, ax plus b, we'll drop it right in here. There it is. Okay? That's h of j of x, and then our second function is j of h of x, which would be a parentheses plus b, and instead of putting just a value in, we're going to put in h now, which I'll do in blue. So h is 3x minus 2, so that 3x minus 2 for h, going to go right in here, 3x minus 2. Alright, now that we have that, let's go ahead and simplify it. So we're going to multiply this. 3ax plus 3b minus 2 equals 3ax minus 2a plus b. Alright. Well, now let's just start canceling stuff. You might notice that we can subtract 3ax from each side. That cancels. This cancels, which is really nice. So now we have 3b minus 2 equals negative 2a plus b. Let's combine some of our like terms here. So I'm going to subtract 3b. Actually, you know what? Let's move it all to one side. I guess we can subtract 3b. Subtract 3b, subtract 3b. And now we have negative 2 equals negative 2a minus 2b. And it said to find a relationship between a and b, such that this is true. So we want to get a and b on one side. Now, we got a and b on one side. Let's go ahead and divide everything by negative 2. I'll show it a different way so you guys can see it. This will be negative 2, and negative 2. What we do to one side, we can do to the other. This is a simplified form. We'll get, this comes out nice. 1 equals, this cancels, and the negatives cancel, a plus b. So our final answer, 1 equals a plus b. Now you get a problem like this, and yeah, you've never seen anything like it before, but the signal should be, you should recognize how to do this. And just go with it. Use composition of functions, plug it in, simplify, and you're left with something really simple. So I hope this helps on 42.